Hey everyone out there, welcome back to the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by the incredible team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And today we're going to be discussing what the folks over in India are looking at doing. You know the aqueducts, they're concrete out in California. Midwest has some of these too. Not too common here in the Northeast, but those, they're going to cover those with solar panels. I think that's phenomenal because it's traditionally just wasted space. They never get actually full, and let's be honest, if they get that full, we have much bigger problems to worry about than creating more energy. I think we should something we should do here in the United States. I think this presents a lot of opportunity because instead of having to deforest places or maybe put them on reservoirs or whatever, like this is an area that's begging to be used. And quite frankly, why we're not doing this says a lot. I think it's something we need to explore immediately. Easy to transport electricity. There are businesses and homes right up against these, usually out in California and whatnot. This makes incredible sense. I hope we begin to look at something like this here in this country ASAP. Let me know if you know one of these going on in the US already. If there's something like this being permitted, engineered, or whatever, please drop a comment down below and let us know what you see, what you know. Thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. Thanks.